Yep. Back to another Spider-Man Fans video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I clean my dirt bike helmet. Yeah, my dirt bike is over there. I just cleaned it. Now I'm going to clean my helmet. So let's get into it. What you need is like a sponge, kind of like this. This is what it is, really. Then you need like a rag or a towel. And then you can use some of this stuff and a helmet. And yeah, so I'm gonna put you guys right here. So I got my helmet. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our spray and just spray it on top of our helmet. We don't want to do a lot of it. And then once you do that, I'm going to take our Scout Bright and just scrub it on there. Once you get it all scrubbed in there, you're just gonna do that on pretty much every single side, and I'll speed it up for you guys. About 20 seconds. That has been 20 seconds, guys. I'm just kidding. But yeah, wait for 20 seconds. After you do that, then you wanna get some water. It like this, because if you spray it on the cushion in here, it will never dry, so don't do that. Just take like the scrub thing that I had, take the water and just rub it on here. Okay guys, so let me get my sponge. And so I'm gonna take you guys over here. And yeah, let's get back to work. And dry, and make sure it's not too wet, and just rub it on here like this. After you do that, just let it dry in the sun. So, since that it's done, I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna bring you guys over here next to my dirt bike. I just cleaned mine, so mine's nice and shiny. This is my dirt bike. And my dad's dirt bike over there. So yeah, just let that sit, and yeah, I'll come back when it's done. Okay guys, 20 minutes, all right? 20 minutes. Oh, it doesn't have to be 20 minutes, just until you think it's dry, okay guys? So now I think it's dry, guys. Well, at least that part was a little wet, but the only reason why it doesn't look like the best is the brand new is because I wrecked, so it's all like scratched up and stuff. But yeah, it looks pretty cool, in my opinion. Let me know if you like this video. Subscribe, like the video, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a banger on my Spider-Man Fans video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next Spider-Man Fans video, guys. Bye. I'm a little sick though, yeah, so yeah, bye.